Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 73 of Campus This Week. I am Jenny from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by the South Indian Bank Siliguri, the best choice for your personal banking. Sonada, Church Art Kolkata honors 3 Salesian College Sonada Alumni for outstanding service to society. Brother Banhunlang Lyngdoh reports.
At an event marking 75 years of India's Independence and Literacy Day, Church Art Kolkata honored 3 Salesians for outstanding contribution to society, along with several eminent citizens from police and railway departments. The program was held at Indian Council for Cultural Relations Kolkata on 8th September 2022. Among Salesian achievers honored were Bishop George Pali Parambil of Miawa Diocese of Eastern Arunachal, Father Skaria Nedu Mathathal of Don Bosco Human Resource Center, West Midnapur, and Father C.M. Paul, Director of Radio Salesian, Darjeeling. Salesian College Sonada Alumnus of 1977 batch, Bishop George served Northeast India youth for some 50 years, was honored for his pioneering efforts for the empowerment of tribal people, especially through education of women and girls. 1967 Salesian College Sonada batch, octogenarian Salesian Father Skaria, founder director of Don Bosco Prison Ministry, was felicitated for 25 years of efforts in reskilling, release, and rehabilitation of prisoners. Some 25,000 prisoners have been the beneficiary of his vocational training programs in several prisons of West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Bihar. Founder Director of Radio Salesian Darjeeling, Senior Journalist with Matters India Web News Portal, and Media Practitioner Father C.M. Paul belongs to Salesian College Sonada 1975 batch.
Siliguri, Social Work Department joins NGO for Cleanliness Drive on Mahanada riverside. Rani Kumari of BSW 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri, Bachelor of Social Work students joined NGO Save Earth for Life Foundation to conduct a cleanliness and plantation drive at Mahanada riverside first bridge at Himali Sahid Nagar, Siliguri. Drive was basically towards spreading awareness in promoting a greener and healthier environment in order to conserve Mother Nature. Wellness Rehabilitation Center also took part in the event, which helped save the lives of many youth who are involved and struggling with drug addiction.
Siliguri, student participation peaks at Indian Air Force Workshop. Saba Hussan, Department of Mass Communication 5th semester reports.
On 6 September 2022, Indian Air Force team visited Salesian College Siliguri to promote career opportunities in Air Force. Father Principal inaugurated the workshop, which received 5 batches of students to be addressed by Officer Manish Verma, the main speaker. He was accompanied by Flying Officer Pawandeep Kaur and Squadron Leader Rahul Bhandari and other officers. The main topics discussed included air defense, offensive operations, and military logistics. Officers also explained exams which students need to clear before joining Air Force, such as UPSC, AFCAT, MET, and NCC for special entry. Students also visited the Air Force bus, which was equipped with flight simulator and flight-related exhibits of fighter aircrafts and military transport planes. Students who could answer questions during the interactive session received Air Force cap or t-shirt as well as notebooks and posters.
Siliguri, Entrepreneurship Development Cell Induction Drive completed. Nandini Tripathi of BBA, 3rd semester, gives details.
Entrepreneurship Development Cell organized its annual induction program for some 180 students, Quest, which consisted of 4 selection rounds. The first round of the Quest was the form filling round, where candidates filled up the forms with relevant information on their personality, talent, skills, along with their curriculum vitae. In the second round, candidates performed individual tasks on the basis of their preferred skill chosen in round 1 through a group activity designed to bring the best out of the potential recruits. For the third selection round, all candidates were divided into groups of 5 to 6 members and had to make promotional video featuring the product service of their allotted sponsor. The group also made a poster for their allotted firm and a short report about their research findings and conclusions. The fourth and last round of the Quest was the personal interview round with the title sponsor Lapino's Pizza, which was conducted in 3 rooms of the incubation center with 3 animators. Once results are announced, the deserving candidates will formally enter the cell as junior associates.
Siliguri, Special Lecture on Effective Communication, Opportunities and Challenges held. Pratyusha Sinha of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
The Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Salesian College Siliguri, in collaboration with the Department of Sociology and IQAC, organized a special lecture on effective communication, opportunities and challenges on 3rd September 2022. Dr. Mrityunjay Chatterjee, Director at School of Media and Communication, Adams University, Kolkata, engaged students into an interactive session which included discussion on why and how should one communicate effectively. He delivered the lecture with supporting video clips on effective communication.
Siliguri, World Suicide Prevention Day held. Shaili Sarkar, Department of Psychology, 5th semester, reports.
Rainbow Association, in collaboration with the Department of Psychology, IQAC and Salesian Research Center Siliguri, observed the World Suicide Prevention Day on the 10th of September 2022. The theme ascribed by the World Health Organization was Creating Hope Through Action. Besides the poster-making event for all departments, there were 3 days of special assembly on the topic of suicide prevention. The guest speaker at the event was Mrs. Gargi Datta, a counseling psychologist and founder of the Mind Clinic Siliguri, to share her insightful knowledge on the topic of suicide prevention. The faculty and students of psychology, sociology and social work departments took part. Besides the talk on the theme, psychology department presented a musical item and a short skit. After the interactive session, there were interventions by the principal, director of the School of Psychosocial Praxis and the head of the psychology department. The program concluded with a solo performance by Disha Shah, a student of psychology department 5th semester.
And here's our photo of the week. Former Vice Principal of Salesian College Siliguri, Father Kurian, takes a pose with heritage Land Rover. This show is brought to you by the South Indian Bank Siliguri, the best choice for your personal banking. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.